poetic invitation is reminding us that love thrives in seasons of intentional pursuit. When we pursue each other, it's a call to leave the demands of daily life, even if just for a little while, and seek out joy together. Notice how the beloved says, "Come with me." There's a delight in simply being together, stepping away from the ordinary to rediscover beauty. That's what a date night does. It tells your spouse, let's step away and see each other again, not just as parents or providers, but as lovers and friends.